So we're taking care of this sulfur smell, rotten egg smell, with some bleach. And the formula is a 1/4 cup per 15 gallons of water. This thing holds 20, so I put a little bit more in. You pour it in, you fill it up, and then you turn on the hot water and you let it run through the hot water system. I did it twice because it had a real bad odor to it. I don't think it was our water. Before I did all that, I came over here, and down here you'll see the white plug. It's up there. I think you can see it right there. Yeah. And you undo that. That drains the water heater. But I'm telling you, before you do that, release the pressure, because I didn't do that, and that thing popped 15 feet in the air. Could have hit me in the eye. So I'm just letting it all drain out. I mean, fully drain out. The way I did it, we're getting ready to go tomorrow morning. We're going to go boondocking it, because I use this. This is the swimming pool sweep hose. That's a good 20 feet long. We jump in here and just give you a quick overview. So I use this, so instead of filling up my holding tank, I put it under the faucet and just let it go through 2 cycles, 20 gallons each time, and that it didn't fill up my tanks. This is the R175RD, meaning rear dining room. Now, I picked this in particular. I saw them all. I saw the Coleman. I saw them all. If you look here, just like on my other video, if you look here, you got this curtain. And when you pull that thing, you eliminate the sleeping compartment 100%. And this is a pretty good sound barrier. Well, on our first trip, I have a hard time sleeping, especially when you're in a little coffin like this. So I got up, my wife was sleeping, and listen, this is the full length of the trailer. It doesn't have anything to, I mean, you can stretch out in this. I'm 6'1", and I still have 4'5", whatever the width of the trailer is. And because they put it over the wheels, as you can see down there, it gives you an extra, it gives you a lot of space. I'm telling you. You got your storage. But she was sleeping down here, and I was down here. Right over here. Right over here is where you have the TV. Now, we don't have a mount yet. That's next, but we have a TV, and I had it right up there. And there's our little directional TV antenna that comes with this thing, and I picked up maybe 15, 20 channels with it. I was out here just watching TV and drinking my coffee and bouncing around, and she didn't hear me. Look at this space. Now you take this table out, which we do. We take all that out, and you've got a full 6 feet of sitting room. We use that down there just to keep our cold drinks, so we don't have to keep opening up the refrigerator, which does a pretty good job. And I keep it pre-cooled a couple days before we leave, just so it doesn't work so hard. That's it. It was a little kitchen. Everything is compact. This even vents to the outside. We have the sink. We have it all here. There's the heater right there. We got the lights. I mean, it's okay, folks. Now, there are fancier ones. They really are. But you'll find out that when I'm sitting down here and you're trying to sleep up there, and then it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, you have a little flatulence going when you're sleeping or you're snoring. That curtain, once it's pulled, is almost soundproof. It's a really nice feature. Here's a bathroom. I mean, you know, what do you need in a bathroom? The only thing that's missing, a nice toilet. Everything works real well. Nice mirror. The only thing missing is a sink. So my plan is to try to find some attachment, maybe back here, and just tap into this hose right here and just have a little faucet that drains right into the gray tank, and that's it. Matter of fact, it'd be better, you know. A little pop-up sink right here, and if you want to brush your teeth in privacy, you spit into that. That's it. That's 175 RD taking care of the sulfur smell. And that's common. It's a sacrificial aluminum rod in your hot water heater, and if there's any sulfur in the water, it puts off us that sulfur smell and blah blah blah. So we're doing pretty good right now, though. Sulfur smell is out, and we're ready to go tomorrow. Got a lantern there just in case. And this trailer, I saw him build it, you know, enough videos to see it anyway. And it is 2-year warranty, and you can't do that unless you're pretty sure about the sturdiness of it. And I think, like I said before, this is the important one. This is a big kitchen cabinet. And this is a big bathroom.
It's coming out of the sky. What is this?
Big bathroom. And they're located almost right on top of the axle, which is right about here. So all this weight is centered perfectly. It really is. So yeah, my wife's saying it's raining first time in I don't know, 4 months, 5 months, but we're still going. And I'm gonna catch me a fish. I'm going fishing. So this is too long. This is too long to splice. So I'm just gonna run it out and just show you anything else I can show you. It's really coming down. Look at this, man. Wow. This is my fishing thing. I use my sledge box now as a drawer. Works perfect. And there are my signature chairs. And I will never, no matter how much ridicule, no matter how much teasing goes on, I will never give up that look. Those chairs are great. It sits there great. They're comfortable, and they're better than the tent chairs, and that's what we're going with. So we're leaving soon, and as soon as that one's ready, I'll put it up. Until then, we will see you on the road.